Welcome to Rivet Logic, where we build riveting digital experiences. Today, we are going to be talking about our virtual conferencing and expo solution. You're allowed an unlimited number of attendees. It's cost-effective, and there's global scalability. We address all COVID-19 challenges and communication gaps during the pandemic. We offer a robust virtual conference and live streaming platform. At Rivet Logic, you can distribute your live conference globally. It's extremely scalable and built on top of the Amazon Web Services to ensure the best experience. We have solutions tailored to your needs, a high level of performance, and an outstanding experience for conference attendees and driving audience engagement. Rivet Logic's virtual conferencing and expo solution has so many features. Here are some of our main features. Book your demo today. Let's talk about your challenges with event management, attendee management, audience analytics, moderation, virtual booths, and sponsorships. Rivet Logic. We build riveting digital experiences. Contact us today.